Miss Sheila Valencia.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining us today for the unboxing of the latest generation of yoga and Nigen devices. Thank you, media partners, and also to our industry partner, Microsoft and Intel. As Sir Mike mentioned, yoga was born in a clear need at a time when users had to choose between a tablet and also a power of a laptop. Yoga redefined expectations from the start. Yoga is always guided by design and purpose. With sustainable elegance, meet the Yoga PC. It's ethically sourced, sustainability built, and designed for effortless style and comfort. And we also believe on ambitious expression. Unleash your full potential with a powerful tech that inspires bold ideas and limitless creativity. For us, creative innovation means working smarter with a connected ecosystem that adapts to what you need, making it easier to create and collaborate and innovate every day. We doesn't stop there. We believe in sustainability. We believe that true innovation is also responsibility. Lenovo reflects the commitment to sustainability, incorporating 50% recycled aluminum in its base covers and also eliminating plastic from packaging, FSC certified materials, and maintaining carbon neutral certification across all our yoga lineup. So whether you're streaming or video calling or even enjoying a breathtaking audio, our new yoga devices has immersive audio with up to 6 speakers powered by Dolby Atmos, delivering sound that pulls you right into action. Also, we understand that most of the users are using our yoga devices for online meetings and school and online schooling. So goodbye to the noisy distraction with the 4 mics for a face-to-face enhanced conversation and also experience a 360 degrees reception and voice ID. And lastly, we wanted to be picture perfect in our laptop. With a high clarity enhanced video call with 5 megapixel IR camera, it ensures that it brings sharp, vibrant clarity to every video call. It's perfect for meetings, virtual hangouts, and creation. We understand also that we use our laptop every day when typing, writing emails, and doing churn works at work. With the 1.5 millimeter key travel, it preserves your typing comfort in an ultra slim design. Also, immerse yourself in a world color accuracy and precision with the Lenovo PureSight Pro display. This display is equipped with advanced hardware color calibration technology. Using every hue is produced with utmost accuracy. Introducing the Lenovo Yoga Experience. The Lenovo Yoga Experience boasts unique AI features, namely the Smart Mode, the Smart Share, and the Smart Care. chair is an exclusive feature with our yoga devices. So just by downloading the Intel Unison app, users can instantly connect their Lenovo Aura Edition device with just a tap with their Android and iOS phone. This one is the smart mode. It's a collection of AI-powered experience that allow the device to become intuitive extension of the user to enhance productivity. So it has different function. It has the shield mode, the collaboration, the attention, echo mode if you wanted to boost efficiency, and the wellness mode that encourages the customer to take breaks. Lastly, the Smart Care. The Smart Care provides access to Lenovo online support. Imagine having your own chat. Imagine the convenience of chatting Lenovo support if you have any queries. This is what the Smart Care does. Also, we have the Lenovo AI apps. So Lenovo offers a range of AI applications designed to enhance user experience, productivity, creativity across all devices. Right now, with our Yoga Gen 10 devices, we have the Lenovo AI Now. It's a personal assistant designed to enhance productivity and privacy. It uses local language model based on metalametry, management document summarization, and device control, ensuring data security through local AI functions. Next one is we have the Creator Zone. This AI app is for the creatives. It's an on-device application that uses natural language to generate and edit images. And lastly, we have the Learning Zone. This platform is designed to enhance learning productivity. It offers tools like AI-powered notes, quizzes, and recording, and features that help users study efficiently. So with the Lenovo AI Now, it's very convenient to find documents and also import file. So if you wanted to look for a specific document, it's easier with the AI now. So it's like having your own personal knowledge database within your laptop. Next one is summarize. Of course, there are times when we wanted to make our work more efficiently. So with the summarize feature, it's a knowledge assistant and PC assistant. So you can actually import your documents, and the Lenovo AI now will summarize everything for you. Lastly is Ask Query. So with Lenovo AI now, you can ask different queries and it's totally offline. So you don't need to have it connected via internet. So introducing the Yoga Slim 9i devices. The Yoga Slim 9i device will surely make A bold statement with its unique 3D swirling cat-eye effect, cover design, and reflecting light beautifully. It's a 14-inch laptop in a 13% laptop chassis. Thanks to the 98% active area ratio, and it's 8% slimmer compared to its previous generation. With the thinnest 14.5 millimeter and as ultra weight by 1.2 kilogram, it's enough. This device is really for the on-the-go device. Our Yoga Slim 9i also boasts a 32 megapixel camera, and it is the world's first camera under display laptop. The 32 megapixel camera works with AI powered image signal processing technology by Visionary and AI to study brightness, contrast, and exposure of every pixel. Enjoy immersive visual with just a 98% active area ratio, the world's highest in a laptop. So we're currently using flexible OLED display for the Yoga Slim 9i, and we have the camera under display, and it also has thinner frame and smaller hinge. So for the price reveal, our Yoga Slim 9i is currently priced at 130,995. We made some improvements with up to 32 gig of RAM and 1 terabyte SSD storage. To sum up, watch this video with me. Yeah, so 2 years ago, we've launched the world's lightest dual screen. It's the Yoga Book 9i. So Yoga Book, up till now, still remains the lightest, the thinnest, the smallest display bezel, dual screen convertible laptop in the market. So with the Yoga Book 9i, you can do multi-mode. You can do entertainment mode, editing mode, video conferencing, and content creation. So one of the major upgrade of our latest generation of Yoga Book 9i Gen 10. From previous design, it was just 13-inch, and now we've upgraded it to 14-inch while maintaining the weight of 1.334 kilogram. And now we're already using the stainless magnesium carbon neutral certified material. So before we're just using aluminum stamp with 50% recyclable top lid. Then also we did some improvement on the OLED panel. So before it's 60 hertz refresh ratio, now it's 120 hertz refresh ratio with up to 1000 nits HDR, and also upgraded the display HDR of 600 through black. Then now, we also use a magnetic USB-C pen. So before, it's not magnetic. And we improved the soundbar hinge with backlit keyboard and dual angle folio. Thanks to our industry partner, we're using now the Intel Arrow Lake H with up to Core Ultra 9 with Intel Arc graphics. So for the price reveal, our Yoga Book 9i Gen 10 is only priced at $148,995 with improved Intel Core Ultra Core 9 285H, and also with improved the RAM and the SSD to 32 gig RAM and 1 terabyte SSD, and now just 1.21 kilogram and 15.55 millimeter key. Right. This Lenovo Yoga Gen 10 devices was made for everyday use and flexibility in mind, and I hope that soon this will be a part of your daily routine too. So this year we're completing our lineup for the next gen Yoga Gen 10 devices. So we have the Yoga Steam 7i, the Yoga Steam 9i for those who wanted pristine battery life, longer battery life, and those for the power users, we have the Yoga Pro 9i and Yoga Pro 7i. Thank you for listening.
Round of applause, everybody. Thank you so much, Miss Sheila. My goodness. Those were some amazing specs. Only, isa pa lang yun ah. There are only